a buscar el balón. Tiene tiempo Adam tiene que lanzar la bomba y un pañuelo en la jugada. Adam que busca un balón dividido, interceptado. Veremos de quién es la falta, pero ha interceptado Brugnani, Jordi Brugnani. Y veremos qué es lo que ha pitado el árbitro. Illegal formation por parte de Reid, falta declinada, intercepción por parte de Brugnani, de Jordi Brugnani. Se acabó el encuentro, gana el conjunto de Dragons.
Keeping their timeouts in their pocket. 32 seconds left. Clark throwing over the middle. It's intercepted. Picked off by Nico Lester. And Lester, he's got room. He's got a convoy. And Nico Lester will go the distance. Touchdown, Dragons. Just not read it. Pass was well behind Timothy Knutzel, and Lester got the key block by Jordi Brugnani, and he could not be stopped. Still almost managed to reel it in anyway. 2nd and 20. Clark over the middle. Completed to Robitaille. Still on his feet, but the ball is free! Barcelona has it! It's Mazzero! Mazzero stays on his feet for the touchdown! The scoop and score from Mazzero. The initial hits. Jordi Brugnani and Nico Lester both over there. Mazzero, the last man in. 4th and 23. They must convert. Cisse. He's stripped. It's a strip sack, and Barcelona's got the ball. And Barcelona should have the win in Hamburg. You see the strip forced by Alejandro Fernandez.